Hey guys, welcome back to another Sensai video. So today we're gonna have a rematch with Artem's cat. Let's see how that goes. Let's see. For today I chose Cinematic East soundscape, so I hope you enjoy. We'll see. Yeah, we played before. I think we played 2 games now. And I noticed that he likes his trick moves. Or maybe not trick moves, but he knows about some obscure variations that I might not be familiar with. Yeah, like this one, exactly. Honestly, I have no idea what to play here. But I guess since white didn't take the corner, I should just take the corner. I knew I was gonna try something weird. Let's see. So, I mean, I need to extend. Yeah, he really seems to know this type of variation. So, now's a good question. What do I do? Do I just take the corner? I think it looks right. Because just giving this up, I don't feel too comfortable, so let me take the corner. Yeah, because somehow I feel even though the corner is small, honestly, I want to push again here. Somehow it feels good to do that. Although it might just help him. If I push, he will turn, I guess. Okay, so let's just take it. Looks fine. Okay. So now I still kind of want to push here. I might also push here. But I wonder if it's really that beneficial to continue here. Yeah, I might just leave it. So I also want to take a big corner now. I also kind of want to place something here, but might just also be here. But you know what? Let me also take a corner. I think it's... I think this is fine. And as we can see, perfectly played, the game is still even. So I got a bit lucky with the lower right variation, that I didn't stumble into a trap. So, which direction do I want? I have a bit more potential here, but on the other side, on the other hand, is a bit low because I played low on that side. So I would need to add another move. I don't know. Let me just play standard. Just extend, nothing complicated. So now I kind of want to press black down, although this might immediately start a fight. I could maybe try something like this. But I also just want to approach here. Or maybe invade in some other kind of way. But I'm also thinking about such kind of move, although it feels a bit... it feels a bit one-dimensional, so... Somehow, this also is something I want to try, but... Let's start with the corner. I guess it's the one thing you can rely on. That in the opening, a corner move is always good. So let me Hane in the corner. I think this is the right move. I don't really know this Joseki. So, you see, I don't even know how to continue. I think I need to... Atari. And another Atari. And then extend. Okay, I think now the Hane is the correct move. So I think now I need to push. And then double Hane. Yeah, okay. Then I'm gonna take this one in a ladder. We managed to do it without mistakes, it seems. And interestingly enough, it seems we are a bit ahead now. Yeah, so this is a ladder breaker. Should I just take it? Or should I try to take it efficiently? Like AI does. Honestly, I'm not sure. So let's just take it off the board. It should be good. It's really helpful for the top side. I kind of just want to make two space extension. And on the other hand, I want to attach here. And attach. Looks good. What was the right move? I always forget this one. Do I need to double Hane? No, I need to play here, right? Yeah. That was the one. So black needs to answer again. This one, huh? I've never seen this before. Yeah, but I wonder what's the right shape. So on one hand, I just want to... I kind of want to Hane here. So I still got this option, but of course black will just jump here. So I'm also thinking about this one. Or just cap on top, but it feels a bit too easy. Or I could try something like this. Okay, let me take the 2-space extension. Okay, it's not good. Okay. Yeah. So I kind of just want to press it down to get some influence for myself. Seems good. Just pressing black down and expanding my moyo. And will he play the standard way? The classical variation now is just to extend for black here. To make it like 100% safe. But there's a chance black might play away. Which in turn would give us the chance to attack this. Yeah, but honestly, black does have quite a lot of points in the upper right. Really? Ah, wow, I actually can't play a ladder. I don't know. Let me Hane. Feels like the right move. Because black still has liberty issues. Yeah, so what am I thinking about? Of course, I'm thinking about the competing moyos. So definitely want to take all the upper side as my territory. black lets me. This Atari, very powerful, just because it kind of extends my Moyo boundary. It's not super huge, but it does make a difference. And it has a strong follow-up. I want to extend in the upper right, just to increase the RG and make it a bit uncomfortable for black. And yeah, I want to reduce this part. Let's see. I'm wondering if it makes sense to set these two stones in motion somehow. Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't expect this. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe just respond is still the right thing to do. Apparently there was a better way. Although I'm not sure. Just not good enough at fighting, I guess. Or at shape. Wow. Really? Okay. So I kinda just want to play here. Isn't this big? If I play here, black will play. Black will probably take the stone, then I take, then black. Or just extending. Does this make sense? Yeah, I kind of like extend. Not optimal. Okay, then let me cut black. Okay, looks like I'm just messing up my game here. Just cut black. And Atari, wow, really? Okay, we have an even game again. I thought this was enough. I really thought this was fine. Just get my outside safe. Yeah, so what to do? Black harness, I need to extend, but yeah, I still want a harness. It's big. It's big, it's big. So I want to take a liberty from black. Yeah, okay. Yeah, just take as much as possible. The good thing that I took the stone earlier means I don't need to worry about this shape anymore. So I'm really counting that this upper part is becoming territory now. So I'm getting stronger now. Really? Is that possible? Can't I cut? No, that's a ladder. So, okay. I don't know. I think there's some bad Aji here. For both sides. Okay, black is protecting. So on one hand, I want to connect and just make it super safe. On the other hand, I want to play here now. Yeah, but I somehow have the feeling if I don't play here, then black will have some center here. You know what? Let me ask a question first. This one. Yeah, you know what? Actually, I don't want to worry about this side. Let me get out of here. Doesn't seem to be bad. Yeah, okay, I knew that. Okay. So I think I want to take once. It's kind of center and it gives me extra eye shape. So I wonder if I should peep here, something like this. I'm also thinking about jumping here. But yeah, somehow I also want to attach here. I mean, I would like to somehow make this smaller here, but I'm not 100% comfortable with my group. Maybe something like this. That's interesting. Just taking away running direction. Feels interesting. Probably not the best. But yeah, I just wonder how we stand points-wise. Because black reduced me quite a bit, huh? Somehow I feel it wasn't optimal what I did in the middle fight. Yeah, I guess this cutting through in the end didn't really help me too much. I don't know. And it made black. I was thinking about this move here. Does this make any sense? No, I don't think so. Could I Hane? Does this make any sense? No, also not really. So I play here, black plays here, then I need to do this. And black can connect. And I take. Somehow it feels interesting, but I wonder if I damage this group. Let me try. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, shit. Yeah, if I only knew how to follow up correctly. Ah, you know what? I should have cut. Then black needs to take, then I can Atari and cut off this stuff. Wow, now the game is in black's favor. Yeah, the problem is if I connect black Ataris, I need to connect again, and then black just connects, and then I didn't really do anything. So I'm kind of thinking about just giving up on this, although it's pretty big. Yeah, let me peep. Just to get some more eye shape. The problem is, if I continue here, then black will break through. Then it will get very tough for my group also. I don't really want that. But it would take away black's eye shape, which is also quite nice. Yeah, somehow it feels wrong to continue. I just have such a bad shape. Okay, let me attach here. Yeah, but maybe he's right. Maybe the stone power setting should be set per game, not per player, because that one really gives a little hint on what to do. Okay. Really? But then I just take it, no? Okay, with this I should be safe. Yeah, that's big. Yeah, I don't really have a good way to save this. If I try to run, it will just make it worse, so it doesn't really make any sense. The question is, do I need to be worried about my group here? I don't think so. I think I should be able to live. So now I'm thinking maybe such kind of move. Or just push. Or just push from here. I mean, now black lost a lot of territory also on the right side. I still have my corner territory. But to be fair, black got super strong in the middle. So I kind of need to counteract that. Maybe something like this attach. Or just Hane? I don't think Hane is enough. So this feels good, but it also feels a little slow. But maybe let's try, okay. It's not the best. But at least this reduces the center by a lot. Yeah, the center seems to be the main problem for me right now. Should I try to cut and fight somehow? Let me try, okay. This AI recommended move. And extend, yeah, it's probably too much. We'll see. Yeah, it's probably hard for me to escape there. Wow. Didn't expect this move. Oh, okay, okay. I thought I can push first. Ah, but maybe now black just gives it up. Ah, I didn't think about that. Ah. Okay. Yeah, that's no good. Yeah, so black is way too strong now in the center. I mean, this was very big for points and everything, but I need to break this. I really need to break this. So black is all connected here. There's a little weakness here. Black's liberties, there is something here. Somehow I want to touch. This one, I think it's too deep. Black will just kick me. But yeah, not sure what to do. Yeah, I somehow need to try something. Yeah, that's probably the right move. So now I kind of need to invade here. So let me cut here once. Just to see how black responds. Yeah, but it's looking really bad, guys. So somehow I want to attach here. So I'm just looking for a place to resign, basically. So let me peep this one. Jump. Yeah, I'm just trying to poke the weaknesses. It's just getting worse and worse. But yeah, until I finally see that I'm really dead, I will keep trying, of course. And you guys should also, yeah? Don't let the AI stop you. Yeah, I'm just not strong enough to see exactly how I will die. I have no doubt it's gonna happen, but... Okay, so this makes a cut. Let's try this one. So I somehow want to connect here. Could push first. Let me push first. Try and see if we can't create some kind of weakness. Extend first. I don't think it can be bad, but so I wonder if this one is center. I'm kind of aiming to cut black off here, because these stones are not 100% alive. So I might actually have something here. Wow. Okay, let me connect. I think this helps me. Yeah, I need to block this one. Yeah, I think I need to cut now. Can I even? If I cut, black takes. Okay. I thought I can prevent black's plan, but of course it doesn't work. Can't I live now? Ah, what? No way! Maybe I need to play something like this. It's just mistake after mistake. I don't know what we're doing here. I really need to review this after. It's really tough. Yeah, but I guess it just goes to show that for complicated fighting, Katago can be a bit tough to follow, at least for normal players. It seems I'm still losing, but so somehow I feel like this is a vital point. No, apparently it's not. Yeah, let me answer. Yeah, I guess just needs to push from here. Or maybe first here. Hello, dear viewer. If you managed to make it this far, then many thanks for watching and for your interest. I'm going to stop the recording here because the game is over. I managed to live in the middle, but unfortunately Black's lead is too big. So congrats to my opponent and many thanks for the game. We also ran into an issue. After a few more moves, we discovered a bug which unfortunately prevented us from finishing the game normally. But in the end, it's good that we found it because it gave me a chance to fix it and make the experience that much more stable for you in the future. So again, many thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.